Hey guys, Coach Dawn again with a 10-minute fuel stop stretch. This is Coach Dawn. I'm a physical therapist assistant and I want to give you a couple of helpful tips for stretching on the road. Today I'm going to show you a short stretch routine that you can fit into your next fuel stop or truck stop. It's fast, easy, and so beneficial. In this video, I will show you how to do this stretch routine and we will discuss why it is super important to keep your muscles flexible so that you don't get injured on the road. Stretching also helps you maintain good posture as we get older to prevent injury. It's also a great way to beat back that daily stress and relax and unwind at the end of your day. Here are a few of my favorite stretches you can do at your next fuel stop or truck stop. You ready? Here we go. First stretch, number one. This is called a posterior shoulder stretch. Let's bring that arm across the body. Get above that joint line and lower that shoulder. Don't cram it up here. Lower that shoulder and feel that stretch back there. It's going to stretch out those arms so that you can lift without damaging that rotator cuff. You want to hold it for about 20 seconds, 3 times. Second stretch, we're going to do a chest stretch. This all gets tight while we're driving or at the computer and we get hunched over and stretch out these muscles back here. Let's stretch that chest. Bring those arms behind your back like so. Bring the arms up to the air and stick out that chest for about 20 seconds. Relax, and 2 or 3 more times for 20 seconds. Nice chest stretch. Third stretch, we're going to stretch out that back. I'm always telling you guys to do back extension exercises. If you don't do any other stretch, do this one every day, okay? Hands go in the small of your back, and we're going to come back for a nice back stretch and back into extension and then back. Let's do that about 10 times. Hold it for about 5 seconds to get that back stretched into extension and away from all the flexion. Okay, fourth exercise. Let's stretch those quads. They get tight, okay? So you're going to grab that ankle, hold on to something, and stretch that quad out, okay? You want to really tilt that pelvis, and you want to stretch that quad right there. Lean that pelvis forward, stretching the front of that leg right there for about 20 seconds, 3 times. Super important. Okay. Fifth stretch, we're going to stretch out those hamstrings. We're going to bring that foot forward just a little bit, and we're going to hinge at the hip. Not at the back like that. That's bad for your disc. We're going to hinge at the hip right there and reach for your toe. You don't have to touch the toe. Not everybody's that flexible, but I want you to reach for the toe until you feel the stretch here, keeping your knee straight. So reach for that toe. Hold it for about 20 seconds, 3 times. The last stretch I want to do is a calf stretch. You can do this stretch off the step of your calf. Okay, so I'm going to bring this little box close right here and I'm going to step up on it. This is the step of your calf, and you're going to bring that heel. You're going to put the toe, the forefoot on the step, and bring that heel down to feel a stretch in the back of your calf. Okay, about 20 seconds there, a nice gentle stretch. This should not feel painful. All the stretches should be nice and gentle. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful as always. This is Coach Dawn again. If you like this video, ring the bell for notifications, subscribe to our channel, and give us a thumbs up. And until next time, this is Coach Dawn. Keep rolling strong.